Okay, so this is the Quik by GoPro. It's a really easy slideshow maker. I was looking for something that I could just continuously loop and talk over and record stuff. But this makes really good little intros or little story videos for you. That's, like it says, quick story, that's all it's talking about. And then it does have custom settings for editing it. You click on duration and you can choose Instagram status, and that's 16 seconds, which is perfect for uploading to your story basically. So, and this is actually capturing the motion images from my photos, because I guess motion was turned on or whatever. You can turn off that outro. You can choose a bunch of different music. You can go to your own music library. You can choose no music, no sound. So, some of these are pretty ugly, like that's just terrible, but I guess it's kind of got some cool, yeah, no, let's not do that. Let's not. There's old school. So this, like I said, this is a new filming, because the last one failed to record. But anyways, you could use this for your little stories. Great way to make a little story. That's why GoPro originally put this together for people, because they wanted something nice to showcase their GoPro videos and stuff. So, and shout out to Andrew Poppy, I think is his name. He mentioned that this is the one he uses for his stories to announce his new posts all the time. The action version. So, that's a whole lot of action. Oh yeah, I turned off the sound. But anyways, each one has a preset for its own musics and stuff. Musics. So, it's pretty cool. I really wish it had a continuous non-stop loop kind of deal. But yeah, hope you enjoy this, guys. If you like it, dig it, click it, like it. But anyways, there is a lot of presets. It's pretty cool. It just throws it all together for you. You can pick and choose, and then this little button here in the middle, you can edit. Change the focus point, which is really cool, so that when there's pans and stuff, it'll focus on that area. And then you can change the duration, you can change the title, you can just have it a title. Or you could make it a caption. So there's tons of options in this. It's pretty cool. So, real quick review on the Quik. It's spelled Q-U-I-K if you didn't see that already. What? Oh, autocorrect. Thanks, autocorrect. Q-U-I-K. Did it. There we go. Anyways, that's all, guys. You could use this for stories. I think I said that 10 times now. Anyways, sorry.